Exported to a client in the United Arab Emirates. 6-Nozzle 5-liter servo piston filling machine. Unique diving filling mechanism, anti-foaming. All filling material contact parts are made of SUS 316L stainless steel, corrosion resistant. Filling range 500 to 5,000 milliliters. Filling speed 1,800 bottles per hour. Servo piston metering ensures filling accuracy within plus or minus 0.5%. Sensor accurately detects bottle position and quantity. No bottle, no filling, saving materials. Quick release 3-way valve for easy disassembly and cleaning, stable operation. Touch screen direct setting of filling volume. 1-button adjustment, simple operation and maintenance, saving time and increasing efficiency. Suitable for filling viscous liquids, lotions, pastes, and other fluid materials. Follow us for professional packaging solutions.